Zoran, ili ima mrtvi ljudi tu? Izgleda ko da je to 5 minuta bilo gorlo sada, prije nego što smo mi došli ovdje.
Polili su s nečim da stane gorkel, znaš?
Jel još gori?
Nije, polili su nečim da stane, vidi.
Gareš. Ne znam kako se to nekom dogodilo. Izgleda da su svi živi i zdravi izašli. Izgleda da su svi živi i zdravi izašli. Nema, Zorane, nikakvi ljudi unutra još, a? Brutalno izgorilo. Još se miriši ovaj garež unutra. Izgleda da je to gorlo prije možda 20 minuta ure glave. To što kiša malo pada sada. Čekaj, možda je Zorane ima novčanik. You gotta loot this place now. A typical RV vehicle used for obviously recreational purposes. There is absolutely nothing here. Steering wheel is missing. What happened to the steering wheel? That thing shouldn't fall off right off. That just doesn't make sense. Anyhow, as you can see, we just parked right beside this damage. I would have called police if I had any service in this area. Obviously, I think the source of explosion was right here. Some kind of gas tank that was probably leaking, ignited. You can see the gas tank was probably in this area as well. Probably just blew the whole thing apart. And you can see, if you carefully look, you can see still a bit of thing on fire. Anyhow, yeah, that's a gas tank, see?
Where?
This thing.
It's intact.
Yeah, but look, where's the gas?
Where's the gas or where's the tank?
The tank is right here, right? That's just the piping that goes to the opening there, right?
Okay, I'm sure.
Okay, let's go.
Look. Right here.
That's a good wrench. Okay, let's go. Okay. We'll have to cut this last part right there.